Good morning. Thank you, Francis. Good morning, everyone. Today is going to be a fairly brief webinar or training, but I did want to get you familiarized with what options Pivot Health offers. For those of you who are not familiar with Pivot Health, we are a product development, marketing, and management company. So we design proprietary products and we bring them to market. So our niche products are our short-term medical plans, which I did go over yesterday, and those webinars are recorded. So you can reach out to Francis if you need access to those trainings. But I did want to share with you today the ancillary products that you have as available to you to offer to clients when you are in this short-term or individual market. I'm going to start out with our dental plan. So our Brilliant Dental plans are a proprietary product. They are insured by Renaissance, and this is a PPO plan. Renaissance has a very large national network, over 300,000 providers across the country. So the client would have plenty of access to utilize the network for these dental plans. There are going to be 3 different dental plan options. The eligibility ages for these plans are going to be 18 years and up. When I say and up, that means that there is no maximum age. So if you are an agent that's working maybe with a Medicare client over the age of 65, this would be the only product that we have in our proprietary product suite that goes beyond the age of 65. So I did mention the minimum age being 18 years of age, but please note that if you do have children under the age of 18, they can have benefits, but they would need to be included with an adult on the plan. So these plans are available as an add-on. So again, if you are in your Pivot Agent portal and you're selling a short-term medical plan and the product is available in that state, you will see the option to add on that Brilliant Dental and add on vision to it as well when you're selling a short-term medical plan. Or if you are looking to just sell the dental and vision by itself, you would be able to go into your Pivot Agent portal and click on the dental tab and go ahead and sell the dental and vision standalone. Now, note that vision is not available without purchasing the dental. So the vision is just an add-on to the dental product. Excuse me. So the 3 plan options are going to be your value plan, which of course is going to be basic coverage only. It does not include any major services, as you see here on the brochure. And there is going to be a 6-month waiting period with the value plan for those basic services. Now, when you look at the essential and maximum plans, these plans do include major services and do not have any waiting periods whatsoever. You do see that these plans are progressive plans, which means that the benefits increase from year 1 to year 3 and then stay level for the life of the plan. You do see there are quite a bit of major services. As I mentioned, if you're including children with an adult, you would want to look at offering that maximum plan. The maximum plan is going to be the only plan that offers orthodontia benefits. So the essential and the value plan do not include any orthodontia. And it is for children orthodontics. It is not adult. So they do have to be under the age of 19 in order to get to utilize those benefits. So very easy, basic coverage, easy to submit, and they can have effective as early as the next day when you submit the application. And there is no social security number. So if you are working with a client that is not a U.S. citizen, there's no concern on that. The information required is very basic for these plans. As I mentioned, you are going to see when you go in to offer the dental plan, the Brilliant Dental, there is going to be a check the box where you can add on the vision coverage. Again, the vision is not going to be an option without purchasing the dental. And it is going to be one option. You are going to see that it is very reasonably priced. It is through Vision Care, and it is a network plan as well. And you see the benefits here. Excuse me. When you are in the Pivot Agent portal, we do offer a supplemental product. This is going to be only available as an check the box added on when you are selling a short-term medical plan. So unfortunately, this is not available as a standalone product. This is offered through an association called Communicating for America. So it is an association product, and it will bill separately from the short-term medical plan. And if you also, if the client also selected to purchase the dental when they were buying that short-term medical, that would be billed separately. Because keep in mind, when short-term medical plans expire, these supplemental products can be kept separately. So the Latitude plan, even though it's only available as a check the box when buying a short-term medical, when the short-term medical expires, they can keep this Latitude plan. The age eligibility for Latitude is going to be from 18 to 65. So if they purchase it and their short-term medical plan expires and they have not canceled it or have not reached the age of 65, they can continue to use this benefit, these benefits with any other coverage that they come across. Now, minimum age I said was 18, but if you are selling a short-term medical plan to an adult with dependent children under the age of 18, the children, as you see here, would have some benefits. So they can be included